Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So the first one features this really cool bookshelf transformation. So you can actually do this with any kind of bookshelf. You can just buy the shelf from like Target, Walmart, however much money you want to spend for this little project. So they are using styrofoam in order to create this shape. I've seen cardboard being used before in previous videos. And then you're gonna take like some type of plaster and go over that, doing that kind of like speckling technique. I hope I'm saying that right, because I don't want to steer you guys wrong if you do want to recreate this. I'm sure there's like tons of YouTube tutorials how to do these as well. Oh, that is so pretty. She made this look so easy too, doing that. So cool. All right, so next up we are at the dollar store. I've actually been seeing this like round mirror a lot lately. So let's see what she ends up doing with this. Now, I have seen this being used for several different projects. You probably have too if you do follow this channel. But let's see what she ends up doing with it. You could even turn this into a vase if you wanted to. Oh, it looks like she's doing some Christmas decor. By the way, I will be having some Christmas decor reaction videos coming out, so be on the lookout for those. We're gonna be sprinkling some holiday themed DIYs within the next few videos, as well as Halloween and fall. You guys know what to expect if you already follow this channel. So it looks like she's doing, this kind of reminds me of something that my parents used to have when I was little. Such a simple design, but it's really beautiful. So she's using the glue gun here. Now, if this was me, I would add in a little bit of that fake snow. I'm not sure if that's what she's getting ready to do. Oh, she is. She's adding like, looks like glitter. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh, I love this idea. This is a pretty easy project too. Wow, very cool. Snowman and a tree. And it looks like they're like floating on ice. I love it. Kind of gets me in the holiday spirit. I am so ready for the holidays. Like, that is just my favorite time of year. All right, so speaking of holidays, we do have this fall themed decor piece. Now this looks like another easy one. Beautiful traditional fall leaf colors. Nice little pumpkin. This is like a nice little like centerpiece design that she's doing here. Beautiful sunflowers. You could add in a few pine cones and give it that like outdoorsy scent. Very cool. Looks very magical. She's got the fairy lights going in there. Nice little fall cozy night. That would look so pretty. All right, and then we have an Ikea hack. So it looks like she has, I have no idea what that is. A placemat, maybe? Yeah, I think that's a placemat. So then she has some type of plant pot there. So I guess she's like making this taller. I think she's making like a wooden plant pot. Doing the macrame technique to add some more decor. Oh, she has some aloe in there. Oh, that's pretty. Very cool. Yeah, that's another like easy project too. And you don't even have to worry about painting it. I mean, you could if you wanted to. You could do like black. I think that would be pretty. But yeah, cool idea. And if you wanted to, you could leave out that macrame that she did around the perimeter. Like I can just picture that in black. So here's that same creator again doing another hack. This time looks like she has another placemat here. Or wall decor, I'm not really sure. No, definitely a placemat, I think. Oh, she's doing a mirror design. Wow. Okay, I was gonna say that is like a super easy project. You could get a mirror and then a placemat and just mind blown bohemian style mirror design. Super easy peasy. But it looks like she's doing something else here. Oh, she's adding some wording to the mirror. Oh, that's nice. Wow, such an easy mirror design. Wow. Very cute. And it looks like she did another mirror too to go with it. And then we have another fall, festive fall DIY. I love the black nails. This is like an easy pumpkin project you can do with your kids. And a lot of people just paint pumpkins now instead of doing like the jack-o'-lantern designs that everyone used to do back in the day. Like jack-o'-lanterns, am I pronouncing that right? They used to do them like all the time in the 90s, and like now everyone's just doing like paint. So she's doing like little ghosts here. This is cute. Oh, I love it. It's like pumpkins on pumpkin. I feel like painting allows for more creativity than carving, or is that just me? I don't know. Very, very, very cute. I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my honest reactions to today's videos. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.